Here's one giving advice on moisturizing and styling gray, silver, or kinky hair. Is there a difference? Well, not really. Generally, silver or grayer textures tend to come in a little coarser and need as much moisturizing as possible. And so it just kind of is the same. You run the lines of along the line of just keeping the hair moisturized, so that wiry, coarser texture coming in that's silver gets more moisturized and becomes more pliable. One of the things that you can do to keep silver or white or gray hair pristine and bright is adding a little blue. If you happen to be a texture that is kinkier or curlier, adding a little blue rinse to your cleansing cream. And what this does is it keeps and cleansing cream is a white cream, right? Non-sudsing white cream. And adding a little blue to it, you can use a tiny bit of blue food coloring. You can use, so it comes up when you do mix it in the jar, it comes up kind of sky blue. Or you can add a little Manic Panic, a bit to your cleansing cream jar. And what that does is as a cleansing cream cleanses your hair, when you shampoo, it just takes the yellowing out of your silver white hair to make it brighter. So I hope that helps.